Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed 49 problems up to 49, level 1. This is the 50th question. Students read the question. Three balls are drawn from a bag contains four red, three black, five white balls. The probability of drawing two balls of same color and one is different color is, first we need to identify total how many balls are there. Red color, there are four. Black, how many are there? Three. Next, white, five balls. Total how many students? 5, 4, 9 plus 3, 12. Total balls 12. Now, out of 12, how many we want to select? Two balls of same color and one is different color. That meaning is 2 plus 1, 3 balls we need to select. 12C3, this is favorable case. Now go to that event. What is the event here? Two different color, two same color, sorry. Two balls are same. Two balls, same color. And one is different. Okay. Now here overall only two colors. How to select? In first case, red black combination. This is first case. Go to second case, black white combination. Third case, white red combination. There are three cases possible. Now n of e is equal to, see here, red color I am going to select two. These are two, this is one ball. These are two, this is one. These are two, these are one. This is a combination. Red color there are four. Out of four can be select two into black three. We can select only one. This is first case. Plus, go to the second case. Two black, one white. This is second case. Go to the third case. Two white, one is red, 4C1. Like this. Students, all of you understood now. Two balls of the same color and one is different color. They didn't mention the color. That's why we are getting three different cases. Okay. Calculate here. What is 4C2? 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. Into 3C1 means 3 plus 3C2. 3 into 2 by 1 into 2, that is 3 into 5 plus 5C2. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 4. So here 2 2s are, now remaining is 18 plus 5 3s are 15. Here 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Now overall what is the answer, students? 18 plus 15, 33. That means total 73. But what is n of s? 12, 11, 10 by 1, 2, 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 22 into 10, 220. 220. Then what is the required probability? I think students here we are done mistake. Please identify the mistake. This is total wrong. Why? Why? Read the question once again. What they are given. Two balls are same color. Two balls are same color. And one is different. Different means which color? Either black or white. This is a problem here. White or red. Here, red or black. This is a problem. Okay. So in red color, 4 balls are there. Out of 4 can be selected 2. Remaining black and white, there are 8 balls. Out of 8 balls can be select 1. Plus, there are 3 black balls. Out of 3 can be selected 2. Remaining, observe that white and red. White and red, there are 9 balls. Out of 9 can be select 1. Plus, white color balls, there are 2. 5C2. Then red and black, there are 7. Out of 7 can be select 1. This is a procedure. Okay. Now 4C2 means calculate this. 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 8. 3C2 means 3. 9C1 means 9. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 7C1 7. Here calculate students. 2 2s are. Next 2 2s are. Now finally 2 3s are 6. 6 8s are 48 plus 27 plus 70. Total how much students? 48 27 60 60 75. Total 145. N of S. Required probability P of E, that is equal to 145 divided by 220. Now observe the 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 5 44s are. So final answer is 29 by 44. This is third option correct. Students, all of you understood now? Here they are given clearly 2 balls of the same color and one is different. Different means what? We can expect remaining colors. For suppose 2 red color balls we are selected. Another ball is we can expect either black or white. But 2 balls which color? That is red in first case. Second case blue. Third case white. Okay. The single ball, which color we are selecting, that is we can't expect. Okay. Right. 51. What they are given? From a bag containing 4 white, 5 black balls. 3 are drawn at random. Odds against these being all black balls. These being all black balls. So here white balls 4, black balls 5, total 9. N of S. N of S. Out of 9 balls can be select 3 balls. Okay. What is N of E? Favorable case. Already given clearly. The odds against these being all black balls. The 3 balls are black only. We can expect 5C3 now. Required probability. P of E, N of E by N of S. N of E means what? 5 into 4 into 3 by 1, 2, 3. And 9C3 means 9, 8, 7 by 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 cancel. Now calculate that. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. Total answer how much here? Required probability P of E. 5 divided by 42. It's correct? Yes. This is only P of E. But what they are asking students? Odds against. Odds in favor, odds in against. Odds against mean this is the formula. P of E complement ratio. P of E. P of E complement means how to find out? 1 minus P of E. 1 minus P of E. 1 minus 5 divided by 42. That is 37 by 42. Substitute here 37 by 42. This is P of E complement ratio. P of E 5 by 42. So denominator is same. Eliminate that. 37 is to 5. So that meaning is 37 to 5. This is the answer. Which option correct? Second option. First we need to find probability, then apply the formula of odds against. Odds against, odds in favor. Two types of formulas are there. Remember it. So here, observe the question. Two types of boxes given. Box X, box X, box Y. White color balls, black color balls. 2 white, 3 black. And box bag Y containing bag Y, 4 white, 2 black. So here you can write bag X. This is bag Y. Okay. So here one bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from it. Here first we need to select the bag and ball both. Then the probability for the ball chosen be white. How many bags are there? There are 2 bags. Out of 2 bags, select any one of the bag. Okay. Now see here, students, listen carefully here. Required probability is equal to first select bag, probability of selecting X bag, then in that bag I am going to select white color ball plus select bag in second case, that is second bag, and there we can select white color bar. These are the cases. Okay. So probability of selecting a bag, there are 2 bags. Out of 2 bags, select one. In first bag, how many balls are there? These are the balls. Total 5. Out of 5, 2 is white. 2 by 5. This is first case. Now go to the second case. There are 2 bags. The probability of selecting Y bag is 1 by 2. In second bag, how many balls are there total? Total 6. Out of 6, what are the white? 4. This is the answer. 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 6. Here 2 to cancel. 2 2s are. Finally, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 6. Take LCM, that is 30. 6 plus 10. 16 by 30. That means 8 by 15. This is the required probability. 53. Box A contains 3 red and 2 black balls. Students, here observe that. Box A, box B. 2 types of boxes given right here. box A, box B. Which type of color balls are there? Observe that. Red and black. Red and black. 3 red, 2 black balls. Next, 2 red, 3 black balls. Students, this is important model, either MSET or mains. Now see carefully what they are given. One ball is drawn at random from box A and placed in box B. One ball is selected in box A and placed in box B. Then one ball is drawn at random from the box B and placed in box A. The probability that the composition of balls in the two boxes remains unaltered. So after completing that, changing the balls, finally there is no change in number of balls. Composition of balls means number of balls. Now students, here observe that here two types of colors are there. First, I am going to select red color ball in first bag and transfer to second bag. So once again, so first case I am going to select red color, second case black color. These are the different color balls now, two different cases. In first case, in bag A or box A, I am selected red color ball and transferred to B. After transferring the ball, again I am going to select the red color ball. Here also same like that. In first box, selected one ball, that is black color, transferred to box B. Then find the probability of black color ball. See here, required probability P of E. First, select in A box. The color is red. In box A, total how many balls are there? There are 5 balls. Out of 5, can be select red 3. Out of 5 balls, select 1 ball. Those should be red color. Now transfer to box B. At the time, 1 ball is going to increase here in second box. Now total in second box change, that is 6. Now out of 6 balls can be select 1 ball. The selected color is red only. How many red balls are there here? There are 3 red color balls. 3C1 plus. Now go to the second case. I am going to select black ball in box A. In box A, total 5 balls. Out of 5, select 1. The selected ball is black, 2C1. What I am selected black ball, so I am replaced in box B. Now in box B, the black balls is going to increase or not? 1 ball is increased. Now total number of balls in box B, there are 6. Out of 6 can be select 1. The selected ball is black. Now black is 4. Out of 4 can be select 1. Right? The selection is completed. Now I am going to calculate this. 3C1 means 3. 5C1 means 5. 3 by 5 into 3 by 6 plus 2 by 5 into 4 by 6. 4 by 6. So 3 2s are next. Or directly you can write, no problem. Finally you can calculate. What is the LCM, students? 6 5s are 30. Here is 9. Here is 8. 9 plus 8, 17. So 17 by 30 is the answer. Which option correct? Third option correct.